Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own QR code generator using Python in less than 2 minutes. Now first we're going to have to install our necessary libraries. So pip install QR code. PIL that you're seeing here is Python imaging library. We need this to edit, save the images because the QR code is going to be in form of an image. So let's run this cell here. And after it's installed successfully, we're going to import it into our code. And I'm going to also import images from the PIL that we also installed. So equals to times 50 simply means adding 50 equals sign. Okay, so I'm going to create a loop so that this code can keep on going until a certain condition is met. Now data that the user wants to input into the QR code, so we're going to store it inside our data variable here, and then create a QR code object. Feel free to modify it any way you like. Then we're going to have to create the image. Okay, first we add the data QR code.add data into the data variable that is here, and then we'll create our image. Now we can change the color to whatever we like. It doesn't necessarily have to be black and white. Let's make this blue and make the back color white. Okay, that'll be fine. Here's the QR code, this code that I've written here, but now we need to know the file name from the user. So we're going to take the input and then we're going to save it using the file name variable that the user gave us. Okay, then print QR code saved as file name. Okay, then in case if the user wants to create another QR code, we create this again variable saying again does lower is not equals to yes. That means if the user has typed anything apart from yes, then break. Then print test for API QR generator. So let's run this thing real quick. Let's click on this little pyramid and enter the text. So you are also enter the file name. So I'm going to call it my website. Enter, and boom, QR code saved as my website or page. Actually, I'll be like, what do you mean? So now generate another QR code. No, let's just say yes, and then let's enter text. Peter is great. Enter file name Peter, and it's also saved, and they click on no. And now we're probably like, okay, save, or where is it? So I'm just going to open my files folder in my Google Colab. Okay, so as you can see now, this is peter.png, my website.png. These are the files. As you can see, this is the image that we created, blue and white. This is how cool it looks like. And if you scan it with your phone, if you take it to my website, you can check it out. And the same with the text. Okay, the same with the text. I'm going to click on the text right here and see, although it's a little bit smaller because of the info that was there. As you can see, very easy.